Buongiorno, buonasera, benvenuti amici. Welcome, my friends. My name is Vincenzo, and welcome to my channel, Fountain Pen Therapy. And today, of course, is a special day. We're all celebrating what? What are we celebrating? We're celebrating Fountain Pen Day 2024. You're looking at the website that represents our community, in effect, on this day. I went on the site and try to get a little bit of history of what this Fountain Pen Day represents. Well, it's, first of all, as the site indicates, it takes place on the first Friday in November, i.e. this year, November the 1st. Fountain Pen Day is celebrated worldwide as a time to embrace, promote, and share the use of fountain pens. That's where it is. And I went on the site and I ordered all kinds of things. I went in the shop, and you know what? I finally got myself, the hat. I ordered the hat and I ordered the ink. Why not? Why not? Why not? But more importantly, I think, is that for this day, I had anticipated and I had hoped that I would receive something before this day happened. And thank God to some very good pen suppliers, I was able to get the 2 packages today. Yesterday, that I'm going to unbox for you. There's a special unboxing. This is my treat for myself so that I can celebrate Fountain Pen Day, and it's a treat, of course, for my viewers who eventually will be able to share those purchases with me. I will do the unboxing, and later on the pens are very special, so they will each have their own separate detailed review. So without any further ado, November 1st, Special Fountain Pen Day 2024. Here it is. So let's go to my overhead camera. And we'll start with this package. First of all, I got to tell you, this is the first time I ordered something from Pure Pens. It was a joy because they use, the Royal Mail in England, and then they used Post Canada here in Canada. Got the package delivered to me in less than a week. No fanfare, no problems. So, you know what? I'm going to take a look at Pure Pens in the future. Should I need anything, it's going to become one of my go-to sites where I check out to see if they have any deals. So, I already removed the tape and all that so that we could accelerate things. So what do we have in here? Well, the first thing we have in here is that I ordered 2 inks from them. Sapphire Blue from Dieman that I noticed I didn't have in my collection, and I figured while I was at it, why not? And I also ordered, I have another ink in here somewhere, I think. Yeah, there it is. I ordered this ink, which is the Alexandrite. Looked very nice, so I said to myself, why not? And these 2 inks, of course, will be featured in one of my recaps. We'll do one of the swatchings with these inks, ink some of the pens, and I'll be able to show you what this represents. Dieman ink is always a sure thing in my mind. It's a go-to ink maker, of course. And here is what I have. Now, just from that packaging, you should be able to recognize from a distance at least the brand of this pen. And when you look at closely, it says the Good Blue, and it kind of has some design features of the pen that's in here. So what do we have? Drum roll, please. Look at this. What is this? Hey, folks, you must be saying. Frankly, I don't know what went here. But there was nothing in here when the pen was delivered. Maybe it's because everything is already inside. But here's that pen. Yes, folks, it's the Good Blue pen. And, my flex hunt continues. Beautiful Ultem. And what's in it? Well, let's take a look. Ah, yes. This is the Good Blue R615 with a fine flex nib. But I didn't stop there. I got the polymer feed that you could add to it to increase, I guess, ink flow. I am really looking forward to inking this baby up to see what kind of flex this gives me. And it's going to kind of round out my flex nib collection. There's not much that I'm missing, I can tell you that. Right now, this is going to be just a joy to ink up and write with. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. The Good Blue R615 Fountain Pen Flame Grilled Ultim. Wow. It's hopefully that won't deter. It's a cartridge converter. I'm hoping that will give me enough flow. I'm going to check out the pen and see whether or not I can eyedropper this. I don't think so because there's metal in there, that middle section. But let me tell you, this thing looks like something from outer space. And the writing on that nib, for the love of flex. Yeah, Good Blue. Very, very nice. Very nice. In fact, I think I'm going to probably ink it up with what? Well, we'll ink it up with this Alexandrite. Alexandrite. Yeah, I think it's going to be really nice with this pen. But you're going to have to stay tuned to the detailed review to see how this thing performs. There you have it. That's the number one unboxing surprise. Nice packaging. Very nice. There you have it. That's number one. Yeah, I was looking to buy that Good Blue. You know, we know that it's supposed to be flexy. And, you know, I'm accumulating and I'm hunting for all of the flex nibs that I can get my hands on. You know, barring, unless it's some ridiculous price. I've got quite a bit of a collection so that at the end of the year, I can present them all to you and declare the winner in my mind. And it's going to include not only the pure flex nibs like the vintage ones or, you know, that the Mag 600 or Mag 650 with that beautiful flex nib, which is really flexy. But, you know, we'll include their nibs that call themselves flex, but are really soft nibs with some bounce, if you will, but a little more than just gold bounce. It's got to go somewhere towards the flexing. Okay, give you an example is for example the Scribo, the Peniter, the Pilot FA nibs, the Pilot Falcon nibs. You know, they're flex nibs, but you know they're at the same time they're soft nibs, and you can actually write with them on a daily basis. So we'll include all of the gamut when we do our year-end reviews. But I know you must be curious about what number 2 is. Number 2 is very special. At least I'm hoping is very special. Not to say that the Good Blue is not special. It's still special, but I don't think it's as special as the one that's coming. Okay? And I'm hoping it's as special as I think it is. So let's do the unboxing for number 2. Let's go to my overhead camera. Okay, so where's my knife? And today is kind of a blue theme, eh? Because the colors this year for the Fountain Pen Day appear to be blue. So I try to stick with the theme. I was wondering whether I should go orange because I understand that the founder of this day likes orange. In fact, he prefers it, and I think the original is kind of an orangey theme. But I figured I'd go with the color of the year, right? So we've got blue all over the place. Got it on my shirt. You can see the 2 inks I ordered are also blue themed. So okay, that's awesome. So good. Okay, well, okay, more tape. Okay. So that's the first hint, folks. Omas, handcrafted in Italy since 1925. Nice envelope. Look at this. They put my bill in the envelope. Well, I'm not going to show you the bill, but isn't that a nice touch? It's a beautiful envelope. I'm going to keep that. Very nice. Maybe do some B-roll with this when I actually film the entire review. Okay, so it comes in this nice box. Outer, can I just push that out, I guess? Should be, yeah. Okay, so there's an outer cardboard sleeve. Put that aside. Nice, elegant box. It's got kind of a shine to it. So, what do we got here? Can we open that up? Sure, we can. Here we go. Wow, isn't that nice? Oh, I see. That opens up. And I get a nice box. That's nice. Here we go. Put that aside. Yeah, this should be a spec. Does it open this way? Yeah, here it is. Okay. So, can you guys kind of guess what I've got here? What do you think I have in here? Well, let's open it up and I'll show you. There it is, folks. There it is, folks. Now, it's got the little Omas. Very nice, I'll keep that. First of all, take a look at this beautiful resin. Understated, but lots of depth. It says Omas, and for those of you who didn't recognize it, it is the Omas Bologna. Isn't that beautiful? Is there Omas written somewhere? Yeah, right here. Omas, Italy. And I think that's it, but we'll take a better look at it when it comes time to, do the actual detailed review. But as they say, the outer shell is nice, but what's underneath the hood that may be even more special, at least I'm hoping. Yeah, that reveals what? There you have it, folks. I don't know if you guys can recognize what this is, but I can tell you what that is. That is the Regalia Writing Labs Crossflex modified nib. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, it's got a Regalia flex nib with an ebonite feed. It is a piston filler, so I think we'll have plenty of flow from that for that flex nib. And I am so looking forward to seeing how that, I can see already how this is going to be a juicy nib. I think at least. Anyway, folks, this is going to be just a gorgeous, gorgeous addition to my fountain pen collection, and especially my flex collection. I like that black, understated look with the silver trimmings. Very, very nice. I ordered directly from Omas Bologna, Omas official site, and I don't know if there's still any left, but before they went quickly, I figured I'd snap one up. But stay tuned. Isn't that a nice fountain pen day gift that I offered myself? I'm going to spend the entire day inking these pens up, trying them out, and then filming the 2 reviews of these pens. And I think I'm going to enjoy them both. Let me take out the good blue. Yeah, so there they are, my two gifts that I offer myself and you. And of course, keeping with the blue kind of theme of Fountain Pen Day 2024, we're going to ink up this beauty with this sapphire blue, which I think kind of matches I couldn't get the fountain pen day blue on time. That's too bad. But I will get it, and when I get it, we'll review it. So that's the closest thing that I came to. And of course, this lighter blue is going to go in my good blue R615. So there you have it. There you have it, folks. Happy Fountain Pen Day 2024. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. These things are coming up soon. I'm going to do some special reviews, some special B-roll for these pens. And I'm just so curious to see how they write. And we'll add them to my collection. Ciao. Arrivederci. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the day. It's a special day. Take care, folks.